สวัสดีค่ะ everyone! In today's recipe, I will show you how to make garlic butter shrimp with rice. This is kind of fusion recipe because usually in Thailand we don't use butter to cook, but except for the butter, this recipe is very similar to Thai fried rice with shrimp or ข้าวผัดกุ้ง Before we start, if you are new, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell all notification. Like that, you will never miss any of my recipe. Alright, are you ready? Intro! For this recipe, I already cooked steamed rice and now I will chop green onion and finely chop garlic. Next, I will prepare the shrimp. I will remove the skin and then I will remove the black vein. I just mix rice with butter. Now let's cook everything together. Yay! Let's try!
It really smells good. You try first. So rice, butter.
อร่อย
Aroy. If you don't know Thai, aroy means delicious. Aroy. Yeah, that was a very good idea. Very good fusion dish.
You really like it, huh?
No, it's really, really good.
And it's very easy to cook.
Yeah, you should give it a try.
And it's
For
easy to find the ingredients too.
Everything easy and
Everything
delicious.
easy, delicious.
Do it.
Yes. As always, don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah, it's free.
Yes, it's free. Leave us a comment
And
and
chop
chop that like button.
And what if they want to support the channel?
Yeah. If you would like to support the channel, I will put my Patreon page in description. So if you would like to have a look, go check it. Thank you for watching.
See you next Monday.
See you next Monday, Thursday. ขอบคุณค่ะ
Oh yeah, Thursday. Yeah. ขอบคุณครับ
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Why you eat too much? This is mine. Go.